Today we are going to see about the case study on library management system using software engineering. As you all know very well about software engineering, what are the phases you have known and what are the STLC methods you have known, everything you know very well about the software engineering. Here we are going to see about the case study on library management. What is mean by library management? Can anybody imagine what is library management? Yes, we all know very well about library management. It's all about taking the book and returning the book. Likewise, belongs to our library management. As you all day-to-day life, you are using your library in your classrooms, in your colleges. Now, let me see the empathy on it. Who are all the users of the library? As you all know very well, who are all the users? Yeah, sure, it may be the students, the teachers and the admin. These are all your users of the library management system. So we have to think on and view the perspectives of the users. So the perspective of the users, in the sense, it will help the students or the library administrator to access the library easily. And the main thing is it reduces the people's hazards. And it is very easy to search books and it is very easy to maintain for the admin. So these are all the main empathy we reviewed from the library management system. So it is very easy to manage and we can able to store the huge amount of data. Now we are going to see about the phase 1 of the case study. What is the phase 1? As we all read very well about your different types of phases in all SDLC process. The phase 1 is your analysis, the requirements of the project. So what are all the requirements needed for library management system? We all know very well what is that. What are the books we are searching, then related books and interconnected books, and mainly for book searching we need internet browsing, and same as this we have to talk to the students and our friends who are all interested to help us by giving the information about library management system. Same time we have to talk with our supervisor and other teacher who are experienced to make a library and working with the automation. Same time we have to talk with the programmer or experienced people who are working this type of related sector to know well about the requirement analysis to make the next step of the phases. Here we comes the phase 2. The phase 2 is your module analysis. Yes, in module analysis we will have different types of module which that we have to make into a small pieces of different types of modules to complete the system and make the system to be very easily understandable for all the persons. Next, we all know well about the phase 3, that is, first you have analyzed the phases and second thing is you are developing the phases. So how you are developing the modules? We can have some task flows and code flows of each modules in this phase. So we will write the raw code to build up the modules, how everything will be happen. Now in phase 4, it is an integrated module. Why we comes for integrated module? Integrated module is the backbone of the software which help to combine all types of modules together. Here we comes phase 5. It is very important to test the modules which we have already framed. Why we want to test? We have to test, then only we can able to find the bugs. After finding the bugs, we have to fix the bug to test the overall features of the software. Then only we can solve those bugs and come up with some solutions. After bugging, this is the final phase, like use of the software. It is the main thing here. The universities has automated the use of the software. So they have designed 3 different types of users for these use of the software. They are the normal user, administrator, and the registered user. As we all know, the normal user in the sense like students, teachers, and whomever it may be, they can access the online library system. Administrator is who gives the permission to the one who create the new admin or edit or update or delete whatever operations happen. The administrator can take care of it. Whereas registered user in the sense the already registered students, teacher, and employee who permitted to register. So these are the three different types of user. They are gonna use the library management system. So with the help of the software engineering, how the library management system has been established in universities, as you all know very well. Now the assignment of this I'm gonna give you is the case study on railway ticketing, that is booking on online or railway e-ticketing, whatever it may be. You can use these 6 pages and have your modules and try it and come back by tomorrow. Thank you.